Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to create different way to assignment in a Google Classroom. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, enter your Gmail account and click here Google Apps and enter Google Classroom. Otherwise, you can type here googleclassroom.google.com, and here my two classes are there. I enter in 10th standard math. And then this class I already introduced about this QR code. You can share this QR code your student as well as parents. So in this video I'm giving you demonstration how to add different way to assignment. I enter the classroom and create a topic first of all, and then type here support vector machine. Add this topic. So I create this topic support vector machine. Right now I create assignment here and then type here as a for example YouTube link. Add here YouTube link like create and just type here LSTM. So LSTM related videos are come here. After typing you can enter and lots of LSTM related videos are come here. I can click this link, add this link 5 point, which date you want, just like tomorrow, and topic support vector machine I add here and then simply assign. Okay, this assignment enter in this topic support vector machine. Again I click here create assignment and just type here suppose LSTM and add some introduction here. So Google Drive link, and I upload here this one LSTM related talk in this PDF file. Add view students or copy of student. Only student can visible. As usual point I am adding 5 points due to the date tomorrow, and topic I add this assignment in this support vector machine and assign. Wait couple of seconds, and after I am adding two here. Again I create one more assignment here. Type title here text prediction and add here link. So I am adding this link my Medium blog and add those link here, and this look at this link are adding here 5 points on this assignment due to date whatever you want, topic support vector machine, and then assign wherever you want store in this particular assignment in which topic. So you can click here circulate wherever you want upstage first number second number, and in this assignment is visible for your all student already you added on 10th standard math. It's very simple and it's very helpful nowadays. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.